What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're talking about the Galaxy Watch Ultra and this thing is crazy. I got 10 cool solid features that are either help you or make your life a little bit easier. Let's not waste any more time, let's dive right into it. Okay guys, the touch bezel, that's what everyone talks about. The physical touch bezel is gone. I know everyone hates that. I like this one now a lot because I felt like the touch bezel on the physical one would be damaged easily or a lot of dust will get into it. So I know a lot of people are complaining, but the IP68 rating also is one reason that they went without the physical touch bezel. But no worries, you can still feel the buzz of the vibration every time you scroll around smoothly like this. Very easy, very convenient. I don't see any difference. I actually love it. And you can actually feel and hear the vibration. So it's a very cool feature. I really love it. Alright guys, second thing I'm going to talk about is the water lock feature. It's good for swimmers too, and especially those people that are worried about calling their ex accidentally. You just scroll down from here, you turn right, you hit that water button and boom, it's locked. So no matter what you do, this thing is locked. And especially for people that are working outside, I work outside and it's raining, and you know, when the rain drops on it, it goes crazy. Or sometimes we're in the shower and actually I've answered phone calls in the shower, believe it or not. This feature is a cool feature to have, and to basically unlock this, you hold it and it turns off the water light. That noise that's coming right now, it's trying to eject all the water. So boom, it's all gone now. So the third feature I'm going to talk about is the night mode. I have the classic Watch Ultra watch face on. I don't usually use this, I use a different one, but look. So I'm going to mimic the night mode by holding my hand right on top of the watch. It's going to think that it's gone dark. And after a while, I will take my hand off. And boom, there you are. It's thinking that it's night mode and that thing is on. This feature is good if you're at night, you're trying to wake up by a phone call or a text message and you don't want your eyes to fry. So this red light actually helps with that. And there we go, it's back on again. That's how you can test it. Cool feature to have, definitely must have feature. Okay, so the fourth thing, this thing keeps up. The battery is very good. Some people don't know how to adjust the battery so it prolongs the life, and a lot of people are complaining about the battery life. But look, this thing is massive watch. It uses a lot of features. You can turn those features off to have more battery life, but we'll get into that later. If you're running low on power, you can turn on the power saving mode. But to do that, you scroll down, you can turn that on like that, or you can hold it and go to the actual settings, and you can see you can make it last longer by limiting the health features, by turning off the sleeping apps, extend battery. Watch only gives you 7 days and 3 hours, which is impressive. You also have another option where to save more battery. You can go down to battery usage and see which of these are using your battery the most. For me, it's Google Assistant. I can always turn this off. Samsung Health Monitor is monitoring my heart rate all the time. That's another thing. And when I'm working out, of course, it's automatically doing it. Your watch faces also could drain your battery. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the gesture mode. This is the James Bond part of the watch and it's really cool, trust me. All you got to do to answer this phone call is double pinch and boom, the phone is answered. The other thing to do to ignore this call, just go like this and that's it. That's my voicemail. Your phone has disconnected the call. So that's an easy way to answer and reject calls in my opinion. Double pinch to answer, shake like that to reject. So the sixth thing I want to tell you about is the 32 gigabyte storage. It's a lot of storage here. Got 32 gigs of space here. You can load it up with music, apps, whatever you want. You can leave your phone at home and you can hit the music. You can do all sorts of things with this. I sometimes when I go hiking, I don't even take my phone anymore. I just take this with me and I have all these features and apps to load up to easily be accessible in my fingertips. You can choose your pictures, look at your gallery, all the photos you have. You can play your music on your watch. That's the best thing about this watch, honestly. The space is enough for you to do all this stuff and load it up with your music and basically your apps that you really love. To get the ultimate hands-free experience, I pay an extra $10 a month for the watch SIM. It's really nothing for the convenience that I have to leave the watch at home. Okay guys, for number 7, for the Google fans, we got the Google Assistant. I switched the Bixby button for the Google Assistant. I hate that Bixby button to be honest, and the Google Assistant has been amazing. So I want to show you what it does. To demonstrate, all you got to do is swap out the Bixby with the Google Assistant. I put it on this button right here. I hold it. Hey Google, turn off the office LED lights.
Got it. Turning office.
Turn off the light. Hey Google, turn on the office LED light strips.
All right. Turning on 2 lights.
It's pretty cool, right? Okay guys, for number 8, If you guys didn't know, you can actually change the orientation of the watch itself. You can go to setting, go to general all the way down, go down to orientation. You can go left wrist or right wrist. At the same time, you can actually switch it around and have the orientation. You can switch the whole thing around. Orientation, right, and then left, boom. And there you go. Now the orientation is different. You hit right, you switch that thing around, just like that. So it really doesn't matter if you're lefty or righty. This option is very good. So another cool feature I'm going to be talking about is the smart home app. Smart home controls can be controlled by your Samsung Smart Things app right here. I got everything synced up, my alarm, my temperature, humidity sensor, kitchen, fridge, tells you if the door is closed or not. All the devices, all the routines are all set up over here, which is really cool. You can see the office temperature here, the bedroom temperature, right at your fingertips. And you can change them. You can hit one, you can have it on or off, heat to cool, auto, whatever you can do. So you don't need to walk down to your thermostat to turn it on or off. Just tap here on your thermostat. You can basically remote control your own home from your watch, which is really nice. The last 10th thing I'm going to tell you about is the health tracking. And look, it's very easy. You just scroll to the left, you choose your Samsung Health, and you got all the metrics here. The health tracking, you got the heart rate, blood oxygen, the health icon has everything. It tracks everything in real time. You don't need any extra gadgets. This thing's got you covered. I have my ring as well to wear at nighttime. I feel more comfortable wearing at night, but hey, these two fill out the gaps. And right now I have my active times, my steps, everything's all here. You can set targets, you can have it show on your phone. So yeah guys, that's the most 10 main things that I've used. This is my top 10 Galaxy Watch Ultra features. This thing is packed with little tricks and it's fun to actually make use of them. Let me know what you guys think about the features, what your favorite ones are. Leave me some comments down there, and if there's anything you want me to make a video of, let me know, and see you guys next time.